and Ivan Music Collection.
Tutulungan kita, malimot mo siya, ibabalik ang dati mong sigla. Aking gagamutin puso mo, sinugat ang sugat na dulot niyang salawahan. Kahapon na ngayon, asahan bukas, ako'y naroon ako, hanggang ako'y buhay, katulong mo, at sa'yo ay
Stay tuned to the best music collection, only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
Tutulungan kita, malimot mo siya, ibabalik ang dati mong sigla. Aking gagamutin puso mo, sinugat ang sugat na dulot niyang salawahan.
It's time for All This Going Wild Remix. Ganda mo ay nakita, bakit ka pa napamahal sa akin? Kung di rin lang kita makakapiling, sa'yo pa nagsimang damdamin, sa'yo pa puso ko'y nalim, sa'yo na hindi na malaya, sa'yo pa nabawa. Stay tuned to the best music collection, only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
kung di rin lang kita makakapigil. Sa'yo pa nagising ang damdamin, sa'yo pa puso ko'y naliw. Sa'yo na hindi na malaya, sa'yo pa na bawal
This is massive REMIX Mod. Molotov Remix.
Iba ka sa lahat ng aking nakilala. Iminulat mo ang isip ko sa ganda nitong mundo. Nakita
mixed by REMIX.
Everybody put your hands up high. Everybody put your hands up high. Let me see you work, work. I like to see you twerk, twerk. Let's go. Come on. Hands up, hands up, hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high.
Josephine and Ivan Music Collection. Subscribe na!
One, two, three, let's go.
sa mundo, iisa pa rin tayo. Pinoy Remix pa rin ang hilig natin. Handog sa inyo ng ating mga OFW. Pinoy, atin to. Ito ang Pinoy Remix.
my life, I think this way before. Might have let it go, close the door. The walk away. Spectrum bills, I can't attend to something of her. Just told me she needed to call for me. So the value to me. Gotta find for me.
The City of Lions, Singapore Bricks Club.
I need attention, cause you needed direction. I was blinded by the in her eyes. Fine, taking my time. She was sitting in the street.
This is Dos Guapitos, DJ Lawrence Tisoy and DJ Toto Remix. Dos Guapitos. The City of Lions, Singapore Bricks Club.
Like to tell what a relax at the bar just the other night. Hope you're fine and it don't take long. What's my feelings from problems from the war on the fields? Spectre me.
Dos Guapitos.
I get attention, cause you needed direction. I need to see you walking out the door. Fine, taking my time. She is steady in the street. Spectre me. I recall this in my life, I think this way before. Might have let it go, close the door. The walk away. Spectrum bills, I can't attend to something of her. Just told me she needed to call for me. So the value to me. Gotta find for me.
The City of Lions, Singapore Bricks Club.
I need attention, cause you needed direction. I was blinded by the in her eyes. Fine, taking my time. She was sitting in the street.
This is Dos Guapitos, DJ Lawrence Tisoy and DJ Toto Remix. Dos Guapitos. The City of Lions, Singapore Bricks Club. Saan ka man sa mundo, iisa pa rin tayo. Pinoy Remix pa rin ang hilig natin. Handog sa inyo ng ating mga OFW. Pinoy, atin to. Ito ang Pinoy Remix.
When there's a dark storm on your horizon, and you think you can't get through it, just put your hand in mine, and I'll show you how to do it. When the future looks uncertain, you can count on me to be there. And when your heart is all hurts, just look and you'll see me there.
2, 3, let's go!
I feel